Welcome to our planned maintenance system. The system is very exhaustive, so we'll be only giving an overview here in the next 5 to 10 minutes. First, let us show you the most distinctive features in our application. The application is fully integrated with email, so therefore, we have certain email alerts that the management team gets when certain critical functions happen, like a purchase order for critical items not being attended to for over a month or something. Then there is a change log, there is work planning, which is very distinctive in the system. And there is also internal messaging, which we'll show you later, which avoids all your external email communication about something in the system. And of course, there is a different way we report defects in the software, and there are industry standard workflows. Let me now log into the software. Click on the icon on the desktop, and you get to the login screen. The software is multilingual, as you can see, and also there are 4 numbers color themes. You can prefer the one you want to use, and the application will remember it. Type in your login and the password given by administrator and click the login button. Now this is the desktop for maintenance, for PMS. As you can see, it's Indian Register of Shipping classified type approved, and you see on top there are multiple modules which could be available to you, and the 3 tabs on the left hand side. The task tab is the middle one, is the main one that you'll be using for everything, and then the common tab has administrative functions and also videos, manuals. Everything is clickable, so one click and the video will play inside the application only. Then the reports tab has your dashboards, which you can configure by way of my reports, that is your personally chosen reports, and there are over 60 default reports that are there in the system. The number will keep increasing. Double click a report and the report opens up. You see, you can always export it to various formats like PDF, Word, Excel, and of course you can print it too. Then you have multiple ships and multiple offices that you can work on. You can select a ship and the ship name will come there, but you are also open to select multiple ships and the data will adjust accordingly. This button here, the red one now, is the management alert. If it is red, there is some management alert that is present. If it is green, then everything is fine. There is no management alert. So in the application, whoever has access to this management alert will see the alerts from here by clicking this button like this and then drilling into further. But only management team will get it on email along with the details. These are the alerts, management alerts that are there in the system right now. At the moment, there are some 18, but the number will keep increasing. Then there is audit trail available in the system. Every object in the system has got audit trail, and you could configure what you want to set up. And the audit trail will be always available to whoever is supposed to see the trail. Then this one here is the envelope is internal messaging. When it means green, that means there is an unread message for you as user. And clicking on the link will take you straight to the object. In this case, it's a work order. So maybe the chief engineer written to the superintendent or administrator that he doesn't have certain spare parts available, so he cannot do this job or perform this, complete this work order. So all this can be internally managed in the system. No need of writing an external mail giving reference to the object, and somebody has to go into the system and see that. Now, the jobs as you see on the desktop in the middle side, they are all filtered as per the department, responsibility, and a date range. So, by default, when the application starts, it filters all that you see, all the jobs that you see as per these 3 filters. On the right hand side here, you have proactive alerts. That means certificates expiring or expiring in 30 days or work orders to be performed, reviewed or closed. So you as a user know what you have to do next. And everything is clickable. Just clicking on one will open the list, and then you can drill down further and complete the task. Okay. The jobs in the middle are pre-filtered as per various categories, as you can see. So the categories are critical jobs, class jobs, major jobs, routine jobs, and other jobs. So it always gives you filtered by color, by category. Just clicking on one like this will open the job list, and then you can do further. Like you can create a work order and report it done. So a lot of pre-filtering already there in the system, which actually helps, because an user doesn't have to go and filter something to find some information in the system. Now the headers are clickable. Like I click the engine room header now, location header, and then I go into main engine and click on major jobs. So the the best feature that we have got in the software is this, that the main engine jobs, they show unit wise all the jobs. Likewise, auxiliary engines will show engine wise, and all the motors, pumps. But the best part is all these jobs, they will be available in one page. So all the motors, major jobs, you can see on one page. Then this is the checkbox that you see here. It shows you the overdue jobs. So the same location wise jobs window changes color, and you can toggle and see which are actually due and which are overdue. So this is also a good feature, because then you can know what jobs are overdue in each location. Then the table here shows you the defects, the unplanned jobs, and the postponed jobs. Clicking on one will open the list for that, and then you can again drill in and perform the work. So these are also location wise filtered already. So a lot of pre-filtering done, as you can see. Now these are all the jobs that you see: critical jobs, Marpol jobs, solar jobs. So what happens is, if port state inspector comes and he asks for Marpol jobs or solar jobs to be shown, then the ship staff now can very easily show, because these are all pre-filtered again and available in the form of buttons. Not all the functions are there in every application. So we have a custom query function, as you can see, and you can have any kind of query configured there. Of course, we'll help you there, as you may not have the SQL expertise, but our help in this respect is absolutely uh, free and should not cause any concern there, because you'll just have it there and there's no application update required for this. So a query like show me all the jobs, Marpol jobs done by third engineer can be configured there. Now we come to the work plan. The work plan is defined by the chief engineer. The details basically tell you open any job and right click, and the chief engineer, chief officer and superintendent can put it into the work plan. So the juniors straightway go only to the work plan and find their jobs and can report them. So this is in brief what we had to show you, and we really appreciate your time and hope to see you in another video. Thank you very much.